Are we recording? Yes. What's up? It's Keith Kelpis here, founder of the Window Cleaning Blueprint. I'm actually in one of my storefronts, a client of mine, where we clean the windows. See, I'm all geared up like so, dog. And I'm going to tell you exactly how much I would charge to clean the windows based on a newbie guy's perspective, and then later on in the game when you got a fully insured, legitimate, functional business. And when you got a functional business, this morning I got hit with a payroll tax bill and had to call the accountant and get it ironed out. So, make sure you cross your T's and dot your I's. And luckily I have. Now listen, see those windows right there? Your big plate glass windows? How much would you charge? You following me? I'm gonna ask how much you would charge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, actually they're the size. If you were to break these into 4 quadrants, you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. If you're going like residential size based on national window cleaning averages, look that up. So you actually have 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15 windows. Oh, at $4 a window. What are we doing inside and out? Because per pane, is this a dual pane window? Okay, so inside and out. Well, let's just say, since we're doing storefront, it's easy access. We'll do $2 per pane in and out. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, $16 per window. $16 per window. So that's 16, 32, help me, 42, 48, 58, let's say $60. Now, according to the national window cleaning average prices, and if you have a fully, your business, all the expenses and planning for the future, I'm not going to get into this video, $60. That's what's included in that is the trip and travel time and vehicle repair and maintenance, all that. Anyways, if you walk into a storefront to a small mom and pop shop business owner, I'm not talking about corporate, I'm talking about mom and pop, they're going to laugh you out of the freaking store because Joe Blow has come and done it, or Bucket Bob has done it for 12, 14, 20 bucks. I think 20 bucks is fair for something like that if you're consistent, reliable, and you're always there when you say you're going to be there. Now, I had to let go of most of my storefronts. I only have a few of them because I grew the residential side of the business, the landscaping side of the business, and I grew it on such low prices that they fell off. I don't want to hear any backstories about that right now. Oh, you could have bundled them up, you could have sold them, you could have done this. When you're so busy and it's your first, second year in business and you're scrambling just to make ends meet and you don't even know what the hell you're really doing except you got bills to pay, you're not writing up drafting contracts or whatever and selling them and bundling them off, and then you don't even got time for that. So it's so easy when you've got money and you've got consciousness and you've expanded and to look back at a situation and go, oh, well, this is what you got to do. Did you do that when you first got started? I'm talking to the guys that have $1 million companies. Did you do that? Oh, as a matter of fact, I did. I have a degree from this state university in online business and I planned it out strategically. Well, I didn't. So, and most of us here didn't. I'm just ranting and bitching now. But anyways, something like this, $16. My other phone is ringing. They've also got windows for the pharmacy. Tack on $10. So I could say $24 to do all this. Coming in, if you're flat broke and you need the work so bad and you can't afford a no, dude, I would do it all for $12. It doesn't matter because if you hit 10 of them up in a day, you're making $120, right? To get the ball rolling. But there you go. I hope you got something from that. I know I talk kind of fast. Click the link in the description below. You can get access to my book, How to Make $500 a Day Cleaning Windows, where I talk about how window cleaning is a luxury business. If it's a food place or stuff like that, like this is a pharmacy, it is cleanliness is very important. So I'm sure that they look at cleaning windows as a necessity. But when it comes to residential window cleaning, it's pretty much a luxury. So if you approach it with a luxury mentality that you understand it's a luxury, it really goes a long way into selling and booking jobs. And then also, I'm not going to tell you that, it's a secret for the next video. I'm going to talk about my telephone script of how I'm now communicating with customers to sell jobs completely over the phone with approximate pricing. No more driving to the job. I get the customer to actually send me pictures or emails of pictures of their property and lock it down and book it on the phone, show up to do the work. Like, bam. All right, cool. Thanks. Please like, share, subscribe my videos if you like get any value, and then click the link in the description below. There, you're going to get access to I can't. Why am I telling you this stuff? I'm getting off here. You're pulling this crap. Are you taking advantage of me? I think he's taking advantage of me. Later.